We are right in the middle of a couple of systems happening. So what, by tomorrow morning, folks are going to see the rain again?
Yeah, once again, probably at the start of your commute time around 6 o'clock in the morning, if that's the time you hit the road, is probably going to already be wet at that point in the valley. But right now we are getting a nice little break. Current conditions in Portland look like this. We have 55 degrees, dew point at 51, wind out of the southwest at 7 miles per hour. So wind has died down just a bit too for us tonight. We'll see it pick back up tomorrow afternoon. Sunrise time 7:28. So most of that rain now over Central Oregon and Eastern Oregon, closer to Heppner and Pendleton, Kennewick. The Dalles also getting a nice little dose of light rain at the moment. Everybody getting some measurable rain. As we take a little bit of a closer look, though, noticing right around the metro here, Portland through Vancouver, you're dry at this point. If you're heading along I-84 and cruising towards Hood River, that's where you'll run into some light rain. And this is the way the night's going to play out, a few showers on and off. Next system on its way, and it's just a few miles away at this point. We are looking at the next front coming through in those overnight hours, delivering the rain. And then behind that front, by tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening, is when you'll find some instability, enough so that we could have some thunderstorms. So let's time it out for you. We get through those overnight hours early in the morning between about 5 and 6 o'clock in the morning. Now we're starting to notice those showers popping up and at times delivering more robust amounts of rain a little bit at a time. This is 6 o'clock in the morning. We get through the rest of the day. By the time we reach the afternoon, noticing a little bit more coming our way, coming up from the southwest, and those southwest winds also picking up about the same time for us. Now we get to Friday. Friday, it's showers on and off throughout the day. Friday night through Saturday morning, we could be dealing with perhaps a wetter system and the possibility of seeing some stronger winds with that one. Sunday morning would be the opportunity where you're going to be dealing with cloudy skies, yes, but you're dry briefly before we get on through the rest of the day. Monday is looking like a rainy one, but not for everybody. This time around, we might be mostly dry south of Salem and across to Eastern Oregon. We'll see how that plays out. How much more rain could we see just in the next 24 hours? Initially, maybe 1/10 of an inch, but inland we might be talking about an additional 1/4 of an inch, which is close to what we received today. Now, looking at the drought since the last month, we went from a moderate drought category to now just being abnormally dry. We're looking pretty good so far. Now, how much rain have we received? Well, today we did pick up 0.35 inches for us PDX, so almost 4/10 of an inch. And for the month, we're still a little bit behind, and we're also still behind for the year by about 3.5 inches roughly. 7-day forecast looks like this. Perhaps we'll make up for that loss because, oh, guess what? Your next 7 days include more raindrops.
But we're all looking at Wednesday, thinking that's when we're going to get the break finally.
Yes.
Thanks, Natasha.
Sure.
Well, still to come.